up, JK Adventure fans? Y'all already know who it is. It's your favorite couple. But guess what?
Today we are going to be filming our furnished house tour. You guys saw that we recently moved out and we showed you guys a little bit of our place, but we finally finished furnishing it. So
I'm excited. So come on in.
Come on.
Welcome to our furnished house, guys. You guys see it? We have a couch, we have a couple chairs, we got some tables. So let's talk about this stuff for a little bit. So this is a couch that was donated by my good friend Eric. We appreciate and love you, man. A lot of stuff that went on in this house and the whole moving process was all donated stuff. We love and appreciate everybody that helped us out in the whole moving process and was able to give a hand. So this is the living room, all furnished, beautiful TV, our cute little traveling stuff. Just very, very cute in here.
We have a little secret compartment here that is probably my favorite part of the living room. This whole little bar section. Okay, so right over here, guys, we have our office. This is our big corporation. It's called JK Adventures. So this is where I do my editing. This is where Kirk just kind of
a DJ. I'm a DJ.
He does whatever he wants when I'm on my computer because he likes to be attached. No. He just likes to be hanging out with me in my office.
Talking all that smack.
Alright. This next room is
the master bedroom. And like every good house showing show, you guys already know what I'm going to say next. This is where the magic happens.
You're so stupid. So you come on into our room. It's a typical bedroom. Bed. TV that we never watch. I think it was like broken for a week.
The batteries. The batteries were
put in backwards. We have a little closet. I'm not going to turn on the light because it's a little messy. Not really organized, but it's a work in progress. Now the next part is Kirk's favorite part of the master. Go ahead.
This is my office. This is where I spend most of my mornings and most of my afternoons. Some weekends, but the bathroom, basic bathroom. We just added a little thing over here to hang towels and store stuff, because when you move out, you got to realize what you need and what you want and how you want it. So it's a lot of tweaking and getting stuff just right, especially when you have the boss. The boss is a pain in my
whatever.
But guys, we have the travel mural wall. My little JK thing, you've seen it in old videos. It's in a new location, so you won't be seeing it anymore in the background. But we like to look at our stuff and just remember the good times. And now we're off to the bedrooms. Juanita has her own bedroom. I have my own bedroom. And they're pretty official. So we're gonna get right into it.
Alright, so this next room is my room. It's my beauty room.
Beauty!
I like to do my makeup here. I have my little treasure box with all like my purses. Nothing too fancy. And then I just have, you know, my wall.
It's a furnished house. What more do you want us to say? Just enjoy it.
We got this little comfy couch that no one ever sits on.
This is her girl time. Whenever she is with her girls, they come in here and gossip. They have a lot of chisme here. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Didn't see you guys there. Yeah, welcome to the man cave. You know, I'm just getting a couple reps in before we go out tonight, you know. You gotta hit the GTL. But, welcome to the man cave. If you guys remember these boards, they were in a previous video. You guys see the couch as well. This is probably gonna be where JK Adventures is gonna start filming some new unboxing videos. Maybe some food challenges, anything that we normally do.
Whatever you guys want to see.
Here. On that note, you remember our fitness journey. It went well, but also the food after it went well. So JK Adventure is going to get back in it. We got a gym. Gonna start working out. We got our whiteboard, so we're gonna be documenting everything. And if you don't believe it, check out my trophies. This is a champion right here. Nothing but winning.
So you guys just saw Kirk's room, of course, and now on to the next. There's only one more little thing we have. We have a bathroom. Not much to it or anything. Just another second bathroom.
What the
I don't know. It's our cameraman. Alright guys, that was our house tour.
Short and sweet.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's a house. It's furnished. That's all you guys need to know. Hopefully you liked it, enjoyed it, but tell them what to do.
So before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with a family member, I guess, or someone.
Just share this video.
Yeah, share it.
Alright? Share it. And also don't forget, Cash App's down below. Make sure you show some love.
Bye guys.